Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm a Flexfilm, and I've got a tool review on the Smooth-Its. These little tools are made by the Tri-Edge company, the people that provide you with the Tri-Edge tools. And these are to maintenance hard cards and other rubber squeegees. They come in two different versions. This one has a black cloth in it. This one has a gray cloth. You can tell that the black cloth has a more coarse texture and the gray cloth has a fine texture. Obviously, if you're trying to do just a lightweight maintenance to a hard card of any kind, it doesn't matter if you're using this hard card or this one or any of the other 100 out there, you're supposed to be able to carefully, move the card back and forth through this, and it will, eventually like sand or smooth out your card. I've used this tool. I think it's pretty cool. I thought maybe if you were to do this too long or too fast and maybe too hard, there's going to be friction, and the friction sometimes is enough. It depends on the card to sort of slightly melt the card and probably damage the card even further. That's not bad news because it's simply fixed by running this underwater or doing this underwater or keeping this sort of wet. And that just solved my problems, and this became a real cool, effective tool for smoothing out a hard card. The black one, of course, is more coarse, and if your card has got more more damage and more you have more of a need to restore it, you're going to want to start with obviously the more coarse one, get it to a point, and then maybe finish up with the fine one. So you have the Smooth-Its. They're kind of cool to have around for when want to keep maintenance up. I like to keep them wet though. That's my personal preference, to smooth out most of the hard cards that we're using every day.